Do you have German-speaking colleagues or clients and do you want to be able to connect with them on a deeper level? With Germany being the largest economy in Europe, knowing the German language comes with a lot of benefits and opportunities. However, the business and working culture in Germany can be a bit tricky sometimes. Germans like being direct and straight to the point. At the same time, they're also very polite. So in this video, I'm going to teach you 6 practical phrases that you can use for your next meeting to break the ice. Your German-speaking colleagues or clients will definitely appreciate the effort. And if you're new here, hallo und herzlich willkommen bei Speak Fluent German. My name is Salome and usually I help German learners become comfortable with daily life situations, but I've been posting more about work-related topics over on my Instagram and you guys seem to really enjoy this topic. So if you're interested in more, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button for weekly lessons like this. Alright, get your notebook and pen ready, los geht's! So if you're meeting your colleagues or clients for the first time, you would want to say nice to meet you in German in the formal way, which is schön Sie kennenzulernen. Repeat after me. Schön Sie kennenzulernen. If they come to your office, you can ask them how their travel experience went. Wie war Ihre Anfahrt? Noch einmal. Wie war Ihre Anfahrt? And if you want to offer them something to drink, you can say, möchten Sie etwas trinken? Möchten Sie etwas trinken? Alright, so now you've done the greeting part, they have something to drink and it's time to start the meeting. In order to do so, you can say, lassen Sie uns anfangen. Lassen Sie uns anfangen. Now let's say everything went well and you want to say that you're looking forward to working together. In this case you can say, ich freue mich auf die Zusammenarbeit. Alright, so ich freue mich means I'm looking forward. Die Zusammenarbeit is the cooperation or the teamwork. Alright, so repeat after me. Ich freue mich auf die Zusammenarbeit. At the end of the meeting, don't forget to thank them for coming. If it's a client, then you can say vielen Dank fürs Kommen. Vielen Dank fürs Kommen. If you want to learn more from me, I highly recommend checking out my free training for beginners where I help you to improve your pronunciation, decode fast-spoken daily life conversations, and break down essential grammar. The link to register for free is in the description box below. And if you have enjoyed this quick and easy lesson, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss any of my weekly lessons. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!